What's up, guys? It's Nico with your favorite co-host, si
What's up?
Mario, yung
What's
favorite
up?
natin. Si Manong busy ngayon. So, we have Mario as always, ating resident and one of our first co-hosts. Actually, our
Yeah.
first co-host. Wala naman ako naging regular co-host na pinaka-consistent. I think parang si Mario since 2023, late 2023
Late
pa.
2023, I think so as well.
I still remember the days na 100 views to 200 views. Mario, naka 250.
Yeah,
Isang
yeah, yeah.
PBA. So we have
That-
come a long way. So
That's
now,
true.
2025, we're gonna discuss. Pag-uusapan namin yung mga napansin namin so far, the best things, also could be the worst. Basta, the number one thing na we could say about a PBA team, all of the PBA teams, tig-isa, dito sa Philippine Cup.
Yeah.
Diba? So, we can first start off with the number one team right now. Let's go through that. The Magnolia Chicken Templados, who are currently 4-0 to start off the season. On the top of your head, Mario, pag sinabing Magnolia Chicken Templados, Philippine Cup, season 49. Anong
Oh,
unang pumapasok sa
what's the
isip
thing?
mo?
What's the first thing that comes into my head when we say that?
Ah,
Sa tingin ko talaga, Xavier Lucero, bro.
okay, Xavier Lucero.
For me, it's just Zabe. But then, admittedly, this is just me thinking about. I've seen Zave play for a long time, and I've been a big fan of Zave for a while. I'm
Yeah,
sure you.
UP pa.
Yeah,
Busy
UP
ngayon
pa
UP.
lang fan now ni Zave, man.
Hmm.
Pero this is the Philippine Cup is when we see these super team type teams finally show their shit, right? And for me, Magnolia, it's been Zave and honestly, it's been Jerome Lastimosa for me. Jerome's been playing very well. I guess at game in a game against SMB, magaling si Jerome nun. What
Actually.
excellent game from Jerome in that one. So yeah, that's how I see it right now. Magnolia deserves it. Their defense is very strong. Their offense has been clicking as well. And bumabalik yung grit for me. Bumabalik
Ito
yung
yung
grit.
Magnolia na alam natin na
Uh,
defensive first team na nagli-lead sa
yeah,
PBA
yeah, exactly.
sa team points allowed. 'Di ba? Yun yung
Mm.
that's how we know them in the past conferences.
Dude, and like he's he tuloy. Magnolia right now looks very very clean. And alam mo yung kahit nalalamangan sila, wala silang ano. They're not scared of that shit. Like they were down what 16 against SMB, 14, 15, 6, 18,
That was a
something like
fun
that.
game, no? Sinabihan mo
Yeah,
ko
that
to
was a
watch.
very fun
Paroodin mo
game.
yung game.
Yeah.
Paroodin mo yung game. So,
Yeah.
sige, sige, sige.
So a really good team right now. They're still I find it na marami sa kanilang rookies are starting to show out. Jerome, Peter Alfaro has started to
Si
um
Alfaro nga starter ng ni ano, 'di
bro,
ba?
he's earned the respect of
Coach Chito and
Coach
this coaching
Cheeto.
staff for
So,
sure.
man,
Hindi lang si Coach
maayos yung
Chito.
Magnolia right now. I like it. 4-0 is nothing to cry about. And maganda
Hmm.
yung rotations nila, admittedly, bro. Like,
They're letting the young guys
maganda yung
play.
ginagawa
Rafi
ni Coach Cheeto.
Rivas, 3 minutes na lang.
I like yung mga ganun, man. Like, we're di nila pinapagod yung mga players nila. Maganda yung rotation right now for
Oo.
very good rotation.
Yeah, and so far, no, napapansin ko lang rin na medyo bababa yung minutes ni Jerick Anmisi. And then
Jerome, bro.
si... so... No,
No, no, it's
because of
because of
Jerome.
Jerome.
Because of
Because of
Jerome.
Jerome,
Because of
man. Because of
Jerome.
Jerome.
Kala ko
Yeah.
sabi mo, Jerome... Ha? Hindi
Then,
siya Jerome Anmisi. I'm like, ha? Yung mukha ko. Jerome
na.
An...
Maganda yung lalaro talaga ni Jerome. So it's hard to admittedly it is quite hard to give minutes to Jerick. Ay, tama, to Jerick. Pero nakaka-minutes naman siya. Pero yun nga, it's a bit different. It's a bit different.
Jerick ba? Anmisi.
Jerick,
Wait lang.
Jerick,
Uh,
Jerick.
yes. Nalito na ako. Dahil sinabi mo Jerome, pati ako na-question ko. Wait,
Bad.
ano
It's
ba?
Jerick, it's Jerick. My
Okay, so
bad.
that's it for the Magnolia Hot Shots na it's the youth movement.
Yep.
This is what we I mean, maraming ano 'di ba? Maraming haters si Coach Chito for good
Yeah.
reason, 'di ba?
For good
But
reason. For good reason.
he
Like,
adjusts. Ito, nakita mo
yeah.
na he's willing to try new things. And
Mm-mm.
I like what I'm seeing right now from Magnolia, and for me they are not pretenders. They're actually this early, if we're going to, they are
Early,
contenders
yeah.
in the
Yeah.
Philippine Cup.
For me, ay hindi, wala nang MVP na. Tapos na yung MVP, no? Tama ba? Or I mean like
New
new
cycle na to. New
New
cycle.
cycle na to, di ba?
New cycle
Early
ng
right now,
conference. Yeah, yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Xavier Lucero is looking really good, man.
BPC. BPC
Xavier, yeah,
candidate para
BPC
sa'yo.
there's a chance. I genuinely believe may chance si Xavier.
Ang ganda kasi ng average ni Xavier, di ba? 17,
Yeah.
8, 9 rebounds, gives you a 3, 4 assists, tapos may steal and a block.
Yeah.
That's a superstar in the making for sure. Okay, let's move on to the
Already
next
a
team.
superstar, man.
Naging Magnolia episode to. Actually, you can dedicate an episode
Magnolia,
for
you guys were
Magnolia.
great.
Okay, next one. The San Miguel Beermen. 3 wins
Hey,
and a loss.
hey, man.
What do you have in mind?
All
Pag sabi mong San
honesty,
Miguel Beermen, anong nasa unang papasok sa isip mo?
pag San Mig, man, it's
San
Philippine
Mig.
Cup. Talagang magaling sila, pre. Philippine Cup na eh. Wala nang harang kay Junmar dun eh. Alam mo yun?
Mm,
Like, this is where Junmar has made his name because nobody is even close to him in terms of size in the PBA except for James Laput. But obviously, James isn't as skilled as Junmar. But you get my point. Si Junmar pa rin is gonna be the main key. And admittedly, maganda na yung pinapakita ng ibang locals nila. They're giving CJ the time to play or the ball, the touches. I kind of forgot who
exact.
the last
Oo.
import was. Pero kasi in the
Pero
import
syempre,
late,
makakalimutan mo, they keep changing 1 to 2 every
pare,
1 to 2
ay si
games.
ano pala, si
Makakalimutan mo
EJ pala
talaga.
yun, Gagi. My
Ano si,
goat.
si
EJ
our
Anisik,
GOAT.
my goat. Our goat, man. Oo nga pala. But ayun, the touches now are a lot easier, man. Not gonna
Mm.
lie. Kasi only two people need the touches at this point. It's just Junmar, it's just CJ. The others can go fuck themselves, figure something out, how to benefit or how to play the game. And um Rodney Brondial Philippine Cup is a
Not
good
bad, no? Not bad.
Brondial.
It's like, oh,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
bad. Not bad.
Yeah,
Rodney Brondial.
he's a big guy, man. Of course he's not gonna be bad. Ayun. Wami, I think, has started to meld. I think that's the right word. Parang he's starting to mix in better now with SMB. Di na siya masyado nahihirapan. So I'm not surprised at all that in the Philippine Cup right now, SMB is doing very fine. They only lost to Magnolia in a game where arguably they should have won. So
They just collapse. Nag-collapse sila dun sa game na yun.
yeah,
And yun nga, yung sakit ni CJ Perez of, ano nangyari dun? Parang, anong ginawa mo, bro? That
bro, may
sometimes
times
happens, yeah.
until now, bro, medyo out of control pa rin kasi si CJ eh.
But you gotta take the good and the bad pagdating kay CJ
Yeah,
Perez.
of course. But yeah, of course. Pero at some point, I think half the reason Coach Tim barely uses CJ in international play is first of all, di siya taga Ginebra. And second is uh
Feel ko it's more on the
medyo
basketball
lackluster. Medyo ano siya.
IQ. Not
Yeah,
just
he has the
I mean,
positive to
Dwight's
the
not from
negative.
Ginebra, pero 'di ba babad. So, so
Yeah, no.
di ba Ginebra
Yeah,
si Dwight, babad naman si Dwight. It's more of maybe so gusto niya gawin, feel niya si CJ does not maxim, 'di ba? Again, just
yeah.
basing it off dun sa minutes that he's being given.
Yeah. Pero yun, again, what the good with CJ Perez comes with some bad, but sometimes you kind of have to accept it kasi magaling naman talaga he's really good naman talaga. So it doesn't really matter to you end of the day. But yeah,
Okay,
that's
next.
how we capsulate SMB is right. Nobody should be surprised that they're playing well now. It's the Philippine Cup.
They are the favorites. Are they
They are
still
the
your
favorites,
favorites? They
guys.
are the
It's
favorites.
still
Yeah.
Junmar Fajardo. Like no, not a surprise at all.
Let's not talk about the Converge Fiber Xers who are currently 2-2, who actually have a game right now against TNT.
They
So it's
do.
ongoing right now while we're having this episode. And so far, tambak ang TNT sa Converge.
Oh,
And
wow. I'm ready for the
tambak.
TNT one later. But
Yeah, we're gonna get to the TNT one later.
admittedly, man,
So
if
Converge
I'm
at 2
being
and 2,
honest,
Mario. Pag sabing Converge, Philippine Cup. For me,
if I'm being
contenders
honest,
pa
I
rin.
haven't watched a single game of Converge this season, man. Like
Hmm.
so far,
Hi,
so
so,
I don't
okay.
have much input about this. All I know is for the first one or two games, wala si Jordan Heading, and I'm sure they lost that game, right? So based off that alone, and now that they're 2-2, I know Jordan Heading's impact. I don't know if he's already played or whatever.
Wala pang Jordan Heading,
Medyo
no.
important si Jordan Heading to Converge.
He's not here.
Yeah, but to me, important si Jordan. Alam mo yun, 2-2 for a Converge team, at this point, I don't think you're happy with that if you're
Hindi
Converge.
na para acceptable yun. Siguro before Alden Ayo
Oh.
days, pero ngayon,
Dati, pag 2-2 yung Converge at this point,
it's a miracle.
raise the
Wow,
banner,
Alden Ayo.
man. Raise the banner, pop the champagne. Yeah!
Bigyan ng race si Alden
Yeah.
Ayo. Galing.
Pero now the standards are different and medyo
Mm.
nakikita mo right now yung how important Jordan Heading is to um converge. Kasi for me, I think and if he were there for all these four games, very good chance they're number one or number two right now.
Exactly. Well, pag ako naisip ko Converge, si Narana, Alex Stockton, Shawnee Winston. Kasi nakaparoon ako ng maraming Converge games because that's one of the teams na I'm excited for. So, even though at 2 and 2, I feel like they are a lock also for the quarterfinals for sure.
Yeah.
Anything less than the quarterfinals is a huge disappointment. You should reassess ano
Is
bang
Jordan not
ginagawa
coming
niyo.
back this conference?
Parang it's not leaning towards Jordan coming back. He's in the IL list eh. Alam mo
Yeah.
yung reserve list dun sa
Yeah,
yung sa mga
yeah,
roster, wala siya sa active roster eh.
yeah. I get it. I see it.
Parang si Alain Maliksi nasa injured list. Alam mo hindi
Injured
siya
list. Yeah.
babalik. Hindi siya babalik for ano. Speaking of Alain Maliksi, we're gonna get there.
We're just
Rain or shine muna. Rain or shine
Rain or
muna.
shine.
2 and 1.
Hey, rain or shine. I got it exactly. Hello, Gian Mamuyak. Oh boy,
Mm.
man.
Philippine Cup,
When
no?
Gian Mamuyak is playing for Rain or Shine, they're a completely different team, dude. Ibang-ibang team ang Rain or Shine pag andun si Gian Mamuyak.
Mamu. Mm.
And you can see it in the games, man. I think he is again, pero until now, I will continue to repeat this. There's still no star in Ross, bro. Uh, End of day,
Do
I
you
think,
feel si Nokum up and down pa rin?
yeah. I still think he's a bit, a little inconsistent. Not gonna lie. I still
Bata pa
think
naman. Yes.
Renz, no? Yeah, Renz Nokum
Yeah,
is
Renz
a
Adrian
little still
Nokum.
inconsistent. Pero
Mm.
kasi, depende lang talaga yun kay Coach Yeng. Who's playing that day? How long are they playing? Like, yun yung talagang vibes.
Hindi na
We've
mag-iba
been
yan.
talking about this for so long, diba? At the end of the day, I think we have to start of tanggapin na natin, pre. Ganito si Coach Yeng. He's not gonna find, he doesn't need a star. He thinks everybody on his team are stars. Alam mo yun? So, I think we have to start shifting our view of Ross as a, gagi, kailangan nila ng star player into a, oh, maybe they don't need, maybe they are the Detroit Piston type of team na di sila
Na
kailangan. They
one
have,
day siguro it might just click. Ganun, aasa ka na lang
yeah,
na one day baka gumana na lang lahat
yeah,
and it becomes
exactly.
a magical run.
Exactly. Yun. I think that's how it's gonna end up being until they decide to change coach maybe, which I really doubt because Coach Yang is still a very good coach. Or if they
Yeah.
really draft somebody na oh shit, ito na yun. Like
Mm.
alam mo yun, that's the only time I think. But aside from that, meh.
In the Philippine Cup last time in season 48, they beat TNT in the All Filipino Cup.
Oh yeah, that was
That was
Mamu.
the ano,
That was the Mamu
Mamu
steal.
yun. Yun yung
That was the
Mamu's
Mamu steal.
statement
Yeah,
games, not just a
exactly.
game.
So
Games
this is
yun.
what we've been saying for a while now. I mean, like for me, I think Mamu is one of the major X factors for Ross talaga. Last conference in yung I forgot what the previous conference was. Medyo alam mong may kulang sa Ross eh.
Oo, tama.
Ross was lacking that guy who can get a stop, who can actually make on the other end. Alam mo yun? Yung both ends, kaya niya yan. I think Ross was lacking that because Kalen was a bit inconsistent. But Mamu, I think, in that aspect, is quite consistent.
And also dangerous pagdating sa Philippine Cup, no? That's
Yeah.
the rain or shine and last to painters. Oh, the NLEX Road Warriors. I'll start it off here na Mario. I believe that this conference, they are the most surprising team right now for me. The NLEX Road. I never said this before. Like alam mo yun Mario na agree tayo na we know where they stand in the past conferences since 2023. Alam natin na alam yung ceiling ng Warriors ng Road Warriors. Pero itong Philippine Cup na to, they changed their system. Nag-iba talaga. And NLEX is winning games despite Robert Bolick only scoring 13 points, 4 for 18 from the field with 7-8 assists and tatambakan nila yung kalaban nila.
Yeah.
Ganun na yung takbo ng NLEX ngayon. I'm really hopeful. And I really don't say this kasi alam kung makita nyo ng chat namin ni Mario, you guys know where we stand in this podcast as well sa NLEX na before, they are Bolick gets 30 or we lose by 30. Ganun yung dati. Ngayon, Bolick
Pwede rin
scores
Bolick win.
13, we can still win. We can win convincingly. Ganun yung
And
hot take ko at least as of this recording sa Philippine Cup. Ikaw?
brother, a lot of that comes along with the fact that our boy Cyrus Torres, Man, the fact that this dude landed in the second round, third round pa nga ata si Cyrus eh.
Third pa nga ata. Kasi
Third si Cyrus.
nauna pa
Second
si
or third, basta
Brandon.
di siya first rounder,
Nauna
sure
pa si
ako.
Brandon Ramirez sa kanya. Feel ko
Nauna pa si
I
Brandon
think
kay
so.
Cyrus. Bro, I was surprised because
Wait
FEU
lang.
Cyrus
Go
Torres was
lang.
a very good Cyrus Torres. Like, alam mo yun? Like, people knew he was a
David.
shooter. So now that, and he's starting to show what he can do which is exactly that. Na shooter nga talaga siya. He is one of the better shooters one of the best scorers in the league. Right now, Robert Bolick is able to play in the corner and relax for a bit naman. But EOD, man, a lot of this comes from the fact na medyo gumaganda ang system ng NLEX.
Bro, nauna si Brandon kay Torres. Third
Ano
round
mo si
si
Brandon?
Torres.
Ano
It's Polly Ramirez
Oh,
Torres.
or injured si Paulie. But right now,
Oh,
maganda
he's
yung
back.
system na nilalaro ng NLEX. Like,
Uh,
in terms of basically everything, maganda yung nilalaro nila. Defensively, they are quite in sync. And offensively, they're running a lot of
the
shit
ball
properly.
movement's insane. Ang daming
Exactly.
passes.
Maganda yung cuts nila. I don't know, it's like a hybrid motion
Spurs, yung
offense
mga
type
13,
shit.
14
Yeah, yeah.
Spurs,
Like that.
yung grabe yung ikutan.
Kasi
Pag
maganda
hindi
yung
okay sa...
galawan eh. The cuts are there. The people are defending properly. I mean, your bigs are passing well. Brandon can pass well. JP Baggio can pass well.
Isa
JV
pa
Mo.
yan, JB Baggio was the player of the game in their last
Hey
game.
man, Baggio
Sabi ko,
ain't that.
putik yan.
Baggio's pretty good. Free agent yun, di ba? Hindi man yung draft, di ba?
Yeah, it's
Anyways,
a free agent siya. Tapos
so
kinuha,
like
we just picked him up.
JV, yun, you just picked him up. JV right
Mm.
now is not forcing shit anymore. JV's
JV
playing with
Mocon is like a
them.
career resurgence na parang,
A
oh,
lot, yeah, because right
saan to
now, a
galing?
lot of, for me, I think nagiging system na kasi eh. Hindi na siya bala ka sa buhay mo, pre. As in, this has now become a team where everybody is kind of buying into the system. Robert
They
looks
changed,
okay.
yeah.
He looks okay not having the ball in his hands. He's like,
He's
ay,
buying
no.
to the system. He's buying into the
Exactly. He's
system.
playing to the
Mm.
system. And then when you need a bucket, he'll go, ay, sige, I'm Robert
Okay
Bolick
na.
now. I can do
Oo.
that shit. Pero before that, he's running the system. They're in the system, which works really well.
They used to be so predictable na
Siyempre, Bolick
from
naman.
opening tip to the last alam mong dadaan kay Bolik ngayon. Minsan, it's gonna be Mocon operating from the high post. Sometimes it's Ramirez. It changes talaga eh. Ang
It's
daming
working
mga
well.
flare screens, ang daming mga off-ball movement.
Yeah.
And I'm
Agree.
really hopeful for NLEX. For me, it's semis or bust. Like, they have to reach
Siyempre.
the semis. That's logical.
Siyempre. Ano ko na.
Semis or, di ko naman sinasabi finals or bust. Sabi ko lang, makapit ka lang ng semis.
I,
For me, that's
I
a
don't think
good,
you guys
good
make it to
job.
the semis. I personally don't think you guys make it to the semis just
But
because mabigat men. Mabigat magka-semis. The top four teams, man.
yeah, yeah, pero again, for me, most surprising team, it's ano na naman. That's my hot take for at least this episode. Hot take, but with some data
Validness
naman
to
to
it.
back it up naman. Yeah.
Uh,
Next one. Barangay Hinebra, Mario. Anong feel mo sa Barangay Hinebra so far?
aren't they 1-1?
They're 1-1. Oh,
They're
so
one and
far.
one, right?
Oh,
Uh,
they lost to SMB.
how do I say this, man?
Tambak ata sila sa SMB. Granted, this
This
is
is
SMB
this is
Philippine Cup.
a normal problem for Hinebra.
Pag
Weird
Philippine
enough
Cup.
to say, nobody wants to shoot, dude.
Really, they're more of like gotta get that extra pass.
No, yeah, but sometimes dude, you pass so much. Na that's it. That's all you can do. You just pass too much. Alam mo yun, the shot's already there. You're losing aggressiveness. It ends up taking a really bad end of possession shot, dude. Like, that's how I see it. I only admittedly watched 1.5 games kasi yung other half naubos na ng battery. So, but yeah, based on what I've seen so far, um, how do I say this? Who is the go-to scorer right now for Hinebra? Dati kasi, pag kailangan mo ng basket, Brownlee, kaya na yan. Two
Oh,
conferences, carry
Filipino
that
Cup.
shit. Na, in all Filipino Cup, who has the fucking guts? Ah, sorry, I cursed. Who has the guts to make the shot, to take the shots, to
So far, Troy
actually create?
Rosario had 24 points against SMB. 24 si Rosario. Pero do you expect Troy Rosario to give you 20 plus per game? I don't think so. 'Di ba?
Eh,
Hindi naman.
and
But do you think he
Troy
has that
shots are,
capability na ibigay mo kay Troy? Philippine Cup na okay, we need a bucket late. Do you give it to
Troy?
Troy?
Hindi,
Oo.
hindi, man.
Di mo
Hindi.
bibigay kay Troy?
You gotta
Okay.
set up Troy. You have to set Troy up,
You have
bro.
to set him up.
Troy is
Okay.
not the type of guy who will go one-on-one and get a basket for you. Not
So
anymore.
was that a Stephen Holt? So Stephen Holt?
At this point, it's supposed to be Scotty, right? Pero
Parang
many
hindi
people,
siya ganun eh. Hindi
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Many
superstar siya
people,
pero not that. kind of
Not that
superstar,
kind
di
of
ba?
superstar. He's everything else. He can do everything else. But sometimes he isn't the guy who takes the shot. Which is so funny. Because alam mo, parang medyo pareho yung problema ng Ross pati ng Hinebra eh. Who is taking your shots at the end of the day? Who is the guy you're looking
In this
to?
all Philippine Cup, in this all
Yeah,
Philippine
in this
Cup,
all
it's a
Filipino Cup.
problem,
Yung
yeah.
problem
Hindi
nung
pa
sa
clear.
Ross is, yung sa problem nung sa Ross is, wala sil, I don't think there's somebody at that level yet who can take the shot. Ang problema sa Hinebra is, they have so many people who can take the shot. Di nila alam kung sino dapat.
Kasi
Yan
sa
yung
hierarchy,
problema.
parang,
The two sides of the coin. Ganun yun, the two sides of the coin. Pero
but
same
you know,
problem, if you ask me.
the one who'll have the balls though, pag walang mag-ano, RJ Abarians will be the one na, call ka
RJ
na
is taking,
lang.
I'll take
He's
that
gonna
shot,
take
dude.
that shot. That's why I like
I'll
that
take that
guy, you
shot
know.
all day.
He's
Alam
gonna
mo
take
yun?
that shot all day.
Pero, bro, the thought is still the same. After Japet Aguilar, who's the next big for Ginebra? Until Isaac gets back, ha? Until
Oh,
Isaac gets back, you're thin as hell. You're really
yeah.
not gonna beat SMB, brother. You're not gonna beat SMB when you have and when they have Brondial, Tautua, and Junmar in the paint. When you only have Japet Aguilar and a normally injured Troy Rosario. Alam mo yun, Isaac Akgo is quite important sa Hinebra sa tingin ko. And when he comes back, completely different team. Same as Jeremiah. I think Maya right now, my question is, ito yung question ko.
Pilay siya ng isang araw.
It
Napilay
can be
si Maya.
hypothetical or it could be you can answer it
Oh,
if going back, if you're Hinebra, the trade mo pa rin ba si Javi for Jeremiah? Going back, ah.
but
Are you
do you
still
think
trading?
Javi would have become the player that he is right now if he didn't get to Terra Firma? He doesn't, wala siyang touches sa Inebra nun, di ba?
He didn't play for Hinebra at all.
Exactly.
No,
Sorry,
like
not
he didn't
very
play,
good at
like he
touches.
never
Hindi talaga
played.
siya nakaano talaga. They immediately like, oh,
Yeah,
plan niya.
exactly. So, depends, man. That's my question right now.
It's a
It's a
big
question
what
I
if,
don't
no?
even have an answer to. Baka si Graham may sagot kung nandito si Graham, sasagot yun eh. Pero,
Actually, yeah, si Gremio may balls talaga na, oh, I know.
sasabihin ni
Di ba?
Graham talaga kung sa tingin niya kung tama o mali. Pero, for me right now, I'm not sure if the trade for Maya was good enough for Hinebra. Which is a funny thing to say because ever since when did Hinebra lose trades, di ba? Pero like the question has to be ay sorry, wait lang, my sister's calling. The question has to be asked of if you could take it back, are you keeping Javi Gomez de Leano if you're Hinebra? Just a
Ikaw.
little thought.
Ikaw.
Oh, kung oo, wala men,
That
biased
time,
ako kasi
you have to stay
I've
during that
just
time. You have
seen
to put your, not yung right now. You have to think na, okay,
even at that
in
time,
that moment.
syempre sasabihin ko, mas magaling si Maya.
Oh, di ba?
Pero,
So, parang
taking
gagawin mo
everything
yun
into consideration right now, na Amaya has been injured for almost 1.5 conferences, and Javi is in Korea playing for a real Korean
the
team with
best
genuine
basketball of
minutes.
his life.
Yeah, so, hey man, I'm not the type of guy to say na, oh, mali kami, pero I'm sure na, I'm sure this might be a one that you wish that didn't happen anymore. I'm not saying Jeremiah Gray is a bad player. I know Jeremiah is a good player. And when he's healthy, he might be better than Javi. But is he healthy? Yun lang
Hindi.
yun, di ba? That's how I see it.
Okay, next one. Sa ano natin. Meralco. 2-3. Anything that came.
Bro, they look kind of bad, not gonna lie, man.
Kind of bad, no?
They,
Is it because of no Alain
not
Maliksi? Hindi
naman
ko
bad.
gets
I
it.
don't want to say bad, bad.
To
I
their
don't want to say bad,
standards.
bad.
To their defending
Medyo
champions to,
weird
ha?
right
Ng
now.
Philippine Cup. They are the
Huh?
defending
Yeah,
champions.
it's why it's medyo weird right now. But a lot of this kasi for me has to do with the fact na medyo injured talaga
Injured nga.
yung Meralco. The
Meralco.
last time when they won the Philippine Cup, that was when Brandon Bates had knees that were insane. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like
Oo.
Brandon Bates had no knee problems. Right now, he I think he isn't at 100% yet, based on what we're seeing. I don't think he's 100%. Obviously, he's still a very good player, still playing very well.
But not
Pero
the
not the Bates you saw
champion. Yeah.
last time. And then Aaron Black has regressed ever since the ACL injury. You don't have Alain
Actually.
Felixi. I was about to say Paolo Banquero. Chris Banquero has not really been playing very well either. You're kind of lost right now if you're Meralco. which is a wild thing to say considering they are the defending Philippine Cup champions. Pero medyo lost sila right now. They don't really look in sync. When you watch the game kanina, I watched the game kanina against
Oh,
Rain or Shine.
what did you
Bro,
feel
walang
nung
big man ang Rain or Shine the whole game. Ah. Their biggest player on the court, I think, was Mark Borboran and he only played 2 minutes. Alam mo yun? Pero they lost by 20 or something to that extent. Or ano, joke lang. Mga 14, 15, mga ganun.
they lost by 12 pero natambakan talaga sila. Natambakan
Natambakan
sila.
sila. Yeah, natambakan sila. Alam mo yun? So, yes, for me right now, they are still a very good team. I'm not gonna say that they're not gonna make it to whatever, whatever. I'm fairly certain they still make it to the
They're
playoffs.
a top 8 team. They're a top 8
Yeah,
team.
pero something is wrong. Something is lacking, right? If you ask me, the thing that's lacking is a shooter aside from CJ Cancino. That's if
Cancino
you
though
ask
has been solid ever
Cancino
since
and Toto
recovering
Jose
from the
have been
injury.
solid. Toto Jose has been pretty good also for
Yeah,
Meralco
the
since
12 and 17 rebound game the other day.
he's been playing fairly well, and I'm not the biggest Toto Jose fan. Not gonna lie.
Oh, yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
there was a time where I would find some of his decisions wrong, but right now he's playing very well for Meralco.
Exactly,
I can admit.
exactly.
And ayun, there's something missing sa Meralco. I think injuries are playing a bit of a part right now. Kasi Chris Banquero doesn't look very aggressive. Bates isn't looking as fast as before. Almazan is barely getting minutes. Alam mo yun, and Chris right now looks a bit frustrated. A while ago, he was frustrated in the game.
He
Yeah,
was
that's how
nga, yeah.
so far. They
Next one,
lost three in a row.
sino, Meralco? They
Yeah,
are, oh yeah, no naman. Lost two in a row. 2 and 3 sila ngayon.
yeah, they've lost three in a row.
Hindi, minus, ano eh, 2 in a row pa lang. Kasi parang nagka-win sila in between. Then,
No, 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 no. They
sila.
lost back to back. They lost back to back, then they lost this one again. Three in a row yun. Salam ko
Updated
ah.
na tong standings ito nakikita ko ah. Like sa, I don't know kung updated.
Yeah, but
Anyway,
they've lost three in a row, salam ko ah. Which is kind of surprising for a team of Meralco's standard.
yeah, especially for a defending champion. Iba talaga standard ng champion. Next up, Northport. 1 and 2. Weird start
Oh,
din
this
tong
one is the
Northport eh.
surprise, bro. Dead ass. I am surprised by
May mali,
this.
anong mali? But Arvin's injured, di ba?
Arvin's injured. Kadim Jack apparently was the GOAT.
Kaya sobrang nabuhat niya.
Sobrang buhat pala. Ang buhat pala ni Kadim Jack. Ganito level
Tambak
pala siya,
Northport
men.
sa, Blackwater.
Yeah, yeah, they lost. I don't know how to explain that loss, but it wasn't like
Don't to explain. Oh yeah, anyway.
okay, but I don't think it was a real important
Mm.
game. But I'll talk. Alam niyo naman yung sinasabi ko. Um, but right now, Northport, I was surprised, dude. Why did you trade Abu Trotter? I'm
That's
surprised you
weird,
trade.
no? Big man.
He's
Solid big
big
man.
man. He's
For
a
another
genuine big
guard.
man.
For another guard like Kwekute na shot,
Yeah,
shot
and
heavy
why
yan
do
eh.
you need a guard? Why does Northport need a guard? You have a
Gio
very good
Halalon.
rotation already of guards.
Mga Gio Halalon ka na kay.
Bumalik na nga si Gio, di naman pinapalaro. May Munzon ka, may Franyo ka, may Arvin ka, may Will Navarro ka. Tapos nagdagay ka ng isa pang ball dominant na guard. Weird,
Mm,
man. I'm not gonna shit on Dami Kuntapay and Cade Flores, but I don't think Abu Tratter is worse than Dami Kuntapay. Maybe Cade, sure.
actually.
Pero last conference, sige, gets ko na hindi pinapalaro si Abu. Andyan si ano eh.
Kadim.
Andyan si Kadim eh. Pero now, you need Abu. Like, they have no rim protection at all. Negative yung rim protection nila, man. They have no post offense at all. It's just outside, let's take threes, or Arvin Tolentino try and draw a foul. Alam mo yun, like,
Mm,
there is something lacking, and I think it's a genuine big man. Parang NLEX lang yan, pero may NLEX na adjust na nila yan. May
mm.
Brandon Ramirez naman sila kahit pa paano. Pero, for me, Northport, man, you're lacking a big.
Next one, Blackwater.
Barefield or nothing.
Barefield or nothing. Christian David had 31 points one game. The next game he's gonna have zero.
Yeah.
That is the Christian David experience for Blackwater followers.
If Christian David were just consistent, he'd be so good. So
Actually,
many
'di
days
ba?
like
Kahit just
be
17 a game,
consistent,
15,
man.
17, 'di ba? Kaysa yung 31 ka game 1, the next game 0. Puta yun.
may days that hindi talaga siya consistent. They're like, what the fuck?
But he
He look,
played well against Northport. I mean, he had 19. So
yeah,
let's give it to Christian David.
yeah. I mean, yeah, to a certain extent. But man, and sorry, I forgot to say this. JD
Ah,
Tongkab's injuries,
parang
is
ACL, no? ACL ba hyperextended
ACL
knee?
yun, ACL yun. I think
So far, hyperextended knee daw
man,
eh.
that doesn't look good. So and that's kind of sad considering JD Tongkab was on the ups, man. I believe JD Tongkab was on the ups.
Next one, Mario, for Terra Firma.
Di ba last na yun? Ah, hindi, may Phoenix pa
No.
pala.
May Phoenix at
Uh,
TNT pa.
Ewan nga pala yung TNT. Anong na-score nun sa
May-
TNT? Teka lang, check ko lang gusto
It's
kong makita.
49-63. They're down by 14.
51-63 naman.
Hmm.
Anyway, um,
2 points lang yun. Putik.
nakalayup
Kala mo
sila.
naman, kala mo naman I missed 10 points.
Okay. Uh, Terra Firma.
Oh.
How do you say this, bro? Uh,
CJ Katapusan.
how do you say this? Man, to,
CJ Katapusan.
I'm
Or
gonna be
no,
as
no.
rude. I'll be rude, man. I don't give a shit. Man, just
Oh.
sell the team, man. Just sell it.
Actually,
Sell
ako
it.
Rexel, the team.
Sell the
Bigyan nyo na
team.
sa Zamboanga. Interested daw yung
Yeah.
Zamboanga
Zamboanga wants to buy
Sardines.
it.
Ano?
Sell it to
Bigyan nyo na sa
Zamboanga.
kanila.
Yeah, bigay nyo sa kanila, man, guys. This is just let's stop pretending. Let's stop making it. Alam mo yung tipong pag nakita mo yung like there are good players on that team, dude. I think Luis Sangalang is a good player. I think
Luis
Paolo
Angalang
Hernandez is a good
coming up.
player. Yeah, I think Paolo Hernandez is a good player.
Are
I
you a
think
fan of Katapusan? I like Katapusan. I
he's a
like,
mobile big.
he's a mobile big. He's
Mobile
a
big.
wing now. Diba?
Maybe
Like,
somebody
he's adjust.
Northport could use, I guess, something like that.
Northport with another wing.
I mean, he's a little bigger than a wing,
Yeah,
so I
he's a
guess.
little bigger. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Man, just sell the team, dude. No offense, guys.
Same.
Just sell it. Let's let these players actually roam free. Um, yeah, I don't like seeing this as the end of the careers of Stanley and Terrence, bro, because these dudes are absolute dogs. Like dog, when I mean dogs, like they're actually good players. Um, for the most of their career. So I don't want to see their careers end in a Terra Firma team that just doesn't give a shit about winning, man. No offense, but just sell the team. Zamboanga looks like they want it. Give it to Zamboanga.
And
I'm
they
sure
spend.
Zamboanga
They
will be there.
really put money on their players. Mapansin ko sa
Yeah,
MPBL.
dude.
Zamboanga's one of those teams talaga, no? Mario, but before we end it, not before we move on to the last team. Ay, no, no, no. Next two teams. Si One Sports posted a photo of a reunion ng former
Oh
Terra
yeah,
Firma.
yeah,
Did
yeah,
you see
yeah.
that? Silang lima. Sabi ko,
Pinost ni
that's my
Graham eh.
One Direction. Yeah, sabi ko, that's my 1D. Yan yung
Pinost ni Graham eh.
the boy group, the boy band
Graham
group
post eh. I
na
was like, oh,
dinisband.
bro, look at that squad, bro.
That's a
You
stock
can't tell.
squad.
That's a squad, dude. That's a
You were
squad.
cheering for Terra Firma nung yung
Yeah.
limang yan.
Yeah, I'm
Lakas nila
hoping
nun.
SMB.
It went the distance, diba? Sabi,
Like, I don't want to
oh!
think about it,
Anyway,
man.
that
That's the
post was a
what could
bad
have
idea
been.
by One
Yeah.
Sportsman. They shouldn't have
Delete that.
done that.
If you want the people to watch the
Uh,
game, delete that shit.
okay, next one. Phoenix Field Masters 1 and 3. This is a staple Phoenix, no? They always start horrible. And then naghahabol na lang sa dulo. And then they will be always like 1 game kapos of the playoffs, 2 games kapos. Is
Bro,
it time to
confused ako
end
sa
the
Phoenix.
Jamaica Harin experience? Is it
Bro,
time
confused
to...
ako sa Phoenix, not gonna lie.
Kasi
Because you
ganda ng
have
roster
four
nila eh.
players. You have four players who I genuinely believe are really good players, man. You
Who's that?
have you have
Perk?
Tyler Teo, you have
Perk.
Jason Perkins, you have Richie,
Balungay.
who I genuinely believe Richie can actually be a very good contributor for another team. And
Oh.
you have Kai Balungay. You
Grabe si
have
Kai this Philippine Cup, no?
bro, he's jumping over people lang
Diba?
eh.
Parang nasan
Pero
to sa
ayun,
import. Well, iba naman yung import, but yeah.
bro, if you're Phoenix, you have them. The pieces are there. What is missing right now, man? I think the pieces are there for Phoenix.
You
Di
think
ko
it's a
lang
coaching issue?
I don't want to say it's a coaching issue kasi Coach Jamaic is a well-respected coach. So I'm sure naman, but I don't know what's lacking, if I'm being honest.
I'm
I
sure yung
don't
mga viewers din natin, di rin nila
I
alam
can't give you
yung
a
nangyayari
name.
sa Phoenix.
Sorry, medyo onti lang yung Phoenix fans talaga, alam ko yun. So, I don't know if people will care about our opinion on Phoenix. Pero for me, Phoenix has the pieces. I don't know what's
Oh,
happening
we
with
gave
the
her a
team.
pair of Terra Firma. You can count the fans of Terra Firma in the gym.
I can count fans to refer to,
Pero when they
man.
had
But
that Fab Five, for
uh,
count us two. We are those Terra Firma fans. I will call them the Fab Five. I don't care. That's my Fab Five. That's my 1D.
that's my Fab Five.
Fab Five? Oh, the Terra Firma Five.
Refer
Not the Michigan Five.
Chris Webber, nah, dude. Javi Gomez de Leon. That's my Fab
Five.
Five.
Enjoyed the. I love the team. Anyway, last team, the TNT Tropang Giga.
Bro, they need a
Last team
point
was
guard.
TNT. They need a,
Well, they
ano?
need
They need
a.
a, hindi ka ba
Well,
happy
Rene
kay Ray ng
Abata.
Batak?
I don't know why. Right now, they look a little jumbled up.
Feel ko
When
na
they
off
played
ka lang kay
one
Simon
game,
Enciso, eh, no?
they've only played one game so far, aside from this one that they're currently playing.
Mm.
They're about to play two, which they're making a comeback in naman. So I mean, like you
Yeah,
wouldn't
down by
know.
7, yeah.
Yeah, so may chance pa naman. Ay, down by five na nga lang. Ano ba? Ba't late yun ng 2 points?
Oh shoot, sorry. Yeah, yeah. I'm a bit behind nga, sorry. I forgot to press the live button.
Anyway,
Pilipinas Live, shout out.
lagi feeling ko makahabol tong mga to.
It has the
Anyway,
makings of a comeback. Anyway, go to and
ayun. I think the thing here is number one, you lost Jason Castro, and
mm.
because of the injury, and number two is
Wala pang BGR, no? Di
wala
pa
pang BGR,
bumaba.
and
Wala pa.
it's hard to go from the Ronde
RHJ.
era to the no Ronde era. Mahirap 'yun. Mahirap yung shift na yun, man. Mahirap talaga yung shift na yun na, oh, I have Ronde Hollis Jefferson here. To not having Ronde, ang malaking bagay yun, man. So, I'm not surprised that they lost that first game, and I'm not surprised they were losing this second game, but right as of right now naman, humahabol sila. Pero, I'm not surprised that they aren't as clean yet kasi wala kang RHJ, wala kang Castro. You're basically
And
just
coming off a championship high, yung parang post-hangover na,
normal.
oh, lalaro
Very
na
normal.
ulit. And that's a vet team. So, alam mo yung, di sila nagpapainit pa ng ano yun, makina yun eh. Tapos, pag kailan na, magsisimula na quarterfinals, and na, well, Calvin Oftana is playing well in this game, but he needs more help as of right now. Yun lang naman.
Alvin of Tana always plays well naman.
Philippine
Basta
ka.
Philippines, man.
Basta PBA. Anyway, guys, yun
I've
lang
said
naman,
this a
no?
million times,
There's
guys.
alam na ng mga viewers yung script natin na Calvin Oftana is
Alvin
a
of
great
Tana,
player in the PBA.
yeah. I mean, he's a great player generally, pero right now they're lacking the content, the fluidness which they had with RHJ and Jason.
Takot
Mababawi
ako
naman
sa
nila
Asia
yun,
Cup,
bro.
bro. Takot ako sa Asia Cup. Sinong lalapag natin na import? Di nga ako sure kung masususpend si Brownlee
Ay,
sa ano.
wala si Brownlee, di ba?
Oh, okay, okay. So si Ange. Okay lang, wala namang implications yung Asia Cup sa ano eh. Olympics eh. Para ano, separate entity na siya ngayon eh.
Huh?
Wala nang implication sa FIBA Asia Cup.
Yeah, but I mean, are you gonna play Ange?
O sino ba lalagay mo? Clarkson pa hindi, Coach Tim's not gonna put Clarkson. Benny Boat writes papers, I'm not sure. 'Di ba?
Baka nga si Ange, no?
Wala si Ange na yan.
Oo nga, no? Mukha si
So
Ange.
Ange will technically
Malay
will
mo,
be
the
that Kai
return of Andre
Soto.
Blatch.
Oh my gosh. Hindi na niya dominate yung mga
Ako
club
sa
team
darating ni
sa
Andre
Dubai.
Blatch.
Andre Blatch. Anyway, yun yung sign na ano, no? Tapusin na natin itong podcast na to nung narinig ko yan, no? Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Mario. That's,
Oh my
guys,
gosh.
ano, that's not the right, the
That's
Fergie.
not the answer.
We'll
That
have a
wasn't the
separate
answer.
episode. See you all next time. Peace.